Hi friends, choosing a perfect WordPress theme always been a challenging task. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you. At this channel, you will find all the great themes for education and related categories. So in this video, I have a great education and online course WordPress theme. It is iGuru WordPress theme, and this is a website, demo website you can say, which has been made using iGuru WordPress theme. It is a great theme for education and online courses, of course, and you can see the stunning look of the website made with the iGuru WordPress theme. This theme has all the features and facilities that you need to create a perfect education center, institutions, college or online course website. And this iGuru education course WordPress theme has been originally developed by WebGenius Lab, and WebGenius Lab are elite authors. The theme came into existence in 2019, and regular updates for this theme is also being done by the WebGenius Lab. So this is a perfect theme for education, and you can get this theme for your next website project. It has one-click demo import, pre-made pages, and all such elements that you need to create a stunning websites. I am going to add a link of my blog in the description of this video where you can get all the information about this theme, and in this video we are going to overview the complete features of iGuru WordPress theme by installing this demo. So we will install this theme in this video only, and we will preview the theme options, the basic customization options, and all the facilities that we are getting with this theme. So let us begin the installation first. I have a fresh installation of WordPress which is running 2021 WordPress theme by default in the latest version of WordPress, that is 5.8.2 as on date. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have child theme, documentation, licensing, and the main theme file pack. So we shall be using this iguru.zip file for our installation purpose. To install the theme, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose iguru.zip, which can be found under iGuru version folder, and you have to select the correct file for uploading. And if you are having direct access on your cPanel file manager, you can directly upload the same file to the WP content themes folder. I am uploading here to save some time, and I will also show you the theme file size. The theme file size is 20.50 MB, which is an indication of greatly optimized WordPress theme. On an average, I have seen the best WordPress themes comes in around 15 to 20 MB in size. So this is a moderate size, and this is why this theme is going to work fine. On the pages, let us see some pages. This is being the about us page, and we can check the speed as well. So this is having a wonderful speed, like it has course list page, and this is being the course list, and it is running very fast. So it has all the area and elements for course listing and all such things. So you can explore the demo website and just follow the link given in the description. You will find each and every link for your next references. Let us see, you can enable the theme, you can choose a hosting plan for you, and you can continue to exploring this theme for your website project. So you may so that you may take the correct decision. And okay, so we are in between of installing the theme, and we have uploaded the theme now. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. The outcome of extraction is this iGuru folder, in which we have got all the theme components, folders and files. Now we can delete this zip one, it is not required, we have already extracted it. And now since we have uploaded the theme, we can go back to the theme section, and this iGuru theme option is here along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is iGuru version 1.2.6. WebGenius Lab team presents absolutely fresh and powerful WordPress theme. It combines with technology and functional design that helps to showcase your content in a better way. Okay, so let us activate it. Upon activation, we got landed on the welcome page of iGuru, which has all the next tabs for activities, and it is showing an alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us see what is the list of plugins. So these are the plugins required for iGuru WordPress theme to get the complete functionality of theme. And this theme uses LearnPress for course listing. So LearnPress is a great WordPress plugin for listing the courses. As you can see, many websites on this channel only, you can find many WordPress themes, those are using LearnPress, and those themes are really very great. And for education WordPress theme, LearnPress is good plugin, of course, and you can list your courses in a better way using the LearnPress WordPress plugin. And another, this theme uses WP Bakery Visual Composer. This is also a very wonderful page builder, and you might be knowing this. So iGuru core has been developed by the WebGenius itself. I mean, it is coming in pre-packed manner, and contact form 7 is being used. Rest two are these two are LearnPress subordinates. Revolution Slider has been used for hero image section. Video conferencing with Zoom is now trending, because in the world the online courses is most trending after COVID impact. So video conferencing is also in trend nowadays. So video conferencing with Zoom is a wonderful feature that you can avail with this theme. And WooCommerce is always here to sell online courses and the e-commerce activities. So all great plugins has been listed here, and we can install all the plugins. And I am selecting to install all plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid. Okay, so it is not going through. Okay, there might be some problem in any particular plugin, and this is why it is not going in one go. But I will select any three. So I was talking about the server. So you need a great hosting plan for any WordPress theme. In fact, WordPress website needs a wonderful hosting plan, and that you can avail by following the link given in the description of this video. And that hosting plan comes in a pre-installed manner. I mean, you can avail the theme pre-installed there with the demo content that you wish to have for your website, and you can start building your website directly after receiving your hosting. So it is very convenient way to create a new website. And I am installing plugin one by one. As you can see, the system was not allowing to install all the plugins in one go. So I am installing one by one. It may take a bit much time, but yes, I don't have any alternative. So I'm hiding nothing in this video, and in any video on this channel I never used to hide anything. This is why this channel has been made. So the steps which I am following or facing, you may also need to follow the same steps, and this is the way of installing any theme. Especially in this video, it is for iGuru WordPress theme, so you have to follow the same procedure, and I can show you it will not take more than half an hour to create a demo website. And this is the beauty of WordPress. It is not going through. Okay, video conferencing with Zoom is also installed, and now I am activating. And last, WooCommerce is to be installed, and now WooCommerce is also installed. Activate it. Now simply click on dashboard whether WooCommerce needs further information to complete the setup. Yes, it is going to WooCommerce admin. That means it needs certain information in order to complete the WooCommerce setup. And I am putting just sample line. You have to put the original information as applicable for you. Just follow the screen options and you will be able to complete this setup. It can be physical products like book, and it can be downloads, so select these both options. And for subscription and membership you need to have premium version of WooCommerce, so don't opt for free features. It will bring unnecessary it will bring unnecessary plugins that is not required. In fact, just proceed without checking this. And here you need to choose the iGuru, that is currently active theme. And now the installation of WooCommerce is also complete. Click on dashboard, and now this is the time when we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. This is the basic and core look of a website using iGuru WordPress theme. And yes, it is of course without any demo content. This is why it is looking so clear. And if you are in plan for making a website with your own wireframe, own designs, and you want to create your own design blocks, you can start building your website scratch from here. You shall be getting the complete features of this theme, and that is coming from the theme itself and the plugins. So it is up to you whether you can use your own design blocks, or you can import demo website like this, and we can target a demo website like this, because WordPress is basically known for the pre-made websites, and you can use this pre-made website for your education website project as well. So we shall proceed towards importing the demo content to create a demo website like this, and after that we will fill some original content. I mean, you have to complete the website with original content and your website will be ready easily. So let us find where the demo content option is available. So under theme options we have demo importer option, and I am clicking on the demo importer. And the demo importer has only one option, since this is only a pre-made website available with this theme. So we can simply click on the import demo, and images do not include in demo import. If you want to use images from demo, you should check the license for every image, so it should be well noted for you as well. So developer has not provided the images in the demo content, and images are subjected to license. So you have, just in case if you are using these images at your website directly, so you have to check the image licenses. So this is why the images has not been provided in the demo. However, rest of things will be available. Let us start importing the demo. And yes, the demo import is started now, and the screen percentage will tell us how it is going in the background. So it is not yet actually started, and we can check. Yes, it is showing now 10%. That means the demo is being imported, and it may take up to 4 or 5 minutes, of course, because it depends on the internet speed, your server capacity, the developer server capacity, and the internet connection among those servers. So this is a dependent activity, and we have to wait on this screen until it gets complete, or until you get any message on this screen. So don't refresh this page or don't hit the back button. However, you may explore another tabs to understand iGuru WordPress theme in a better way. So it has all the pre-made pages, internal pages, and you can start building your website by choosing these pages. So I will show you course single listing. Meanwhile, the import is going on, and it is one course listing has description, curriculum, instructor, and review. So about one course you can fill the complete information, and the rights panel is showing some subordinate content. This is a great view, of course, for course listing and all. And this, the best part is that, okay, so there are 3 homepages available. Let us check another second homepage. This is being the dark homepage. Okay, it is also very good. And you can find another WordPress theme in education category on this channel only. So you can choose your desired theme, your dream theme from the themes available on this channel. So all great education theme is here on this channel, so you can take an advantage to explore for exploring all the theme, and you can check the features and the installation process for each and everything through YouTube videos as in this video. So it is great. And okay, let us check. So it is now on 40%. We have to wait further, and now it is on 90%. It means it is about to complete, and it took hardly 4 minutes for me, and it can be same time for you as well. And I'm waiting for 100% of it, and it may, okay, so it is 100% now, and it is great. So it is complete. The demo import is complete without any error and without any trouble. So now it is another chance for us to have a look of our website. Images will not be provided as told by the developer itself, so I cannot do anything for image, and I believe placeholder images. So images are here. It is strange. And we got the complete website with images. So that message was not valid, and we got a complete website with all the content. It is great. But yes, since it was written, and it is always applicable if you are using any external image or content, it should be checked. The copyright content should be checked, and you should use your own content only. And it is great that we got a complete website without any trouble, and all the pages, internal pages, are functioning well, as you can see. And this is being the about us page. I'll show you more pages. FAQ. It is a complete website for education, undoubtedly. This is the FAQ section, and each page has been crafted so aesthetically to showcase your content. So it is a perfect website for education. Become a teacher and why iGuru, so it is okay. And course list, as we have already seen, but I'll show you internal page, how our internal page is working, and you can use these pages for your course listing as well. It is great. So I'll show you what we got in this demo import, and after that I'll show you this theme options, that means the theme panel. Okay, so let us check the pages first, what we have received. And it is 52 pages that we have received in the demo, and you can use any of these pages for your website. So these are the pre-made pages. And if we talk about the posts, 20 posts are here along with the hello world. And let us check the media contents. We have got 272 media items. Okay, so it is a big number, and it is great that we have got all the media elements along with the abstract images and or other images, so it is good. Okay, so we have enough material for our website, and we can proceed further for putting our content and complete our website. And now I'll show you what is here as theme options, control panel, and all such things. So I will just show you the additional things up in addition to WordPress features what we have received. The Web Genius Lab is here, and we have already seen this page. This is being the welcome page. Theme plugins we have already used and install the plugins. Requirements will show you the system requirements, and it should all be green. So make sure before importing the demo content it should all green, and if it is not, you can change the parameters, PHP parameters in PHP INI settings, and make it green before you go for demo import. It is very important, so don't ignore this. And okay, so help center is here, and we have theme options. So theme options I am going to show you. This is being the general options. We have already used the demo importer. This is being the general options what is available here. So use minify GSS, CSS JS files. It is recommended for site load speed, and you can enhance the site performance. Preloader switch, header switch, and scroll button. So these are the general settings. And the header, we have logo header builder is here, so we can choose multiple any header from multiple header options. And header is sticky, header mobile, so header control is completely here. Page title you can see, and page background title. Similarly, footer is here, page title, footer is here, so footer controls. Copyright text, or you can on or off, and copyright setting is also here. So if you are on it, you keep it on, so you can change the copyright text, and you can keep it off as well. Learn phrase setting is for course and listing. So these are the sidebar margins and all column settings. Archive single blog setting is here. Portfolio settings, team 404, side panel, sidebars, social shares, color options, and you can change the prime theme color, secondary theme color, and body background colors. Typography, so I'm sorry for the background noises, that is not in my control. I'm recording this video from my home, and it is very typical place, so I am afraid you are annoying, the noise are annoying for you, but I am sorry for this. Just please focus on the main content that I am saying. So main content is here, and you can change the typography and all. So headings, so heading and the font control is here, so you can change if you need to change this. Demo importer we have already used. So these are the complete settings available in the iGuru theme panel. And okay, so these are the enough setting. For the LearnPress is another important thing that remains available in education themes, and this theme is in LearnPress, and this is being the course listing features, and you can create course categories and tags as well. So these are the course category, and similarly you can create the tags. I will show you one of the course listing page. So what fields are available for course listing, you may understand by watching this screen. So this is being the one of the course listing page. You can edit the existing courses first of all, or you can delete all the existing courses and can upload your fresh one. So this is being the short codes for editing the course content. So keep in mind the short code, and you can make a copy of any listing. So you can check the line spacer, so it is very good. And you can also enable the visual editor on the course listing page. So I'll show you how you can do this first of all. So this theme uses WP Bakery, and you can go to the role manager and you can enable the page builder options. So you can keep, and so here in the role manager post type should be custom, and you can choose the courses and lesson or quiz. So wherever you need this on post, so you can enable the page editor as well. So I have enabled this, and I am refreshing this to check. Okay, so I have enabled the page builder, I mean WP Bakery page builder for this page only, and you can use the backend editor, and now you can see the backend editor is here. And just in case if you want to edit with the page builder, you can enable this. However, it is not required. I just told you the process how you can enable this. The short code is being used for the course listing, and you can use the short code style only. So okay, so you can list the courses in this manner, and these are the courses setting: general setting, duration, block content, allow repurchase, and all this information about the course, pricing for course, external information, assessment. So you can evaluate violations and evaluate via results, and final quiz, and get the passing grade, and all these are directly related to course listing, and you can change the author and all. So this is being the course listing. Similarly, the lessons, quizzes, and questions and orders are the features. These are the features of LearnPress in fact, and you can use all these features for your course listing and the education related activities. So it is a great WordPress theme, LearnPress, undoubtedly. So it has all the features for listing the course and maintaining the course. Zoom meeting is another feature that is available in this theme. So you can start Zoom meeting, or so for adding Zoom meetings you may need to have certain credentials from Zoom itself. So you have to configure the Zoom, and you can start a meeting, join before host, start and join host. So there are the multiple settings before you start any meeting, and you can start meeting host directly. So you need to find host, so you can get the API code from Zoom and you can start. So you need to integrate, as I told you. So for Zoom you need to have credentials like API and usernames from the Zoom account itself. So these are the settings. So first of all you have to setting go for setting, like this is the setting for Zoom meetings, and API key, API secret, vanity URL, and all such settings should be complete before you start Zoom meeting. So it is necessary setting, and please follow this guide to generate below API values of Zoom account. So you have to go through this guide. Okay, so that I am not including in this video. This can be considered as external part, and if you are having any question regarding this, you just follow the link given in the description and get in touch with me. I'll certainly try my level best to help you out in this regard. So okay, so footer control is here, all footers. Team is another, so additional things, so you can control the team, I mean the teachers, and your listing about theme. So it is also very important for education website, so you can edit these already pre-listings with your team and delete the rest one. Don't keep the external additional data which you are not using. It may create a wrong indexing on the search engines, so this is very important. Don't keep any demo data which you are not using exactly, so it is very important. And this is all members, add new members, and team categories. Similarly, portfolio you can use for different portfolio like product design, creative mind, and so this is being a portfolio listing, and you can have the similar one, and again you can edit the existing portfolio or add new portfolio. So I'll show you what are the fields available for editing the portfolio. This is platform integration again, so you can enable the Visual Composer here as I shown you, and these are the portfolio settings, related portfolio layout, page colors, and also things. Okay, so this is being the portfolio, and rest of things are as common as in WordPress, so nothing new is here. And I believe I have shown you each of these options, what we got with this installation, that is iGuru WordPress theme. And now I will finally show you how to edit the content of the page. Let us assume we are going to edit the home page itself, so just open the home page and click on edit with WP Bakery Page Builder. So if you are new at WordPress or you are editing very first time with the WP Bakery Page Builder, I will recommend to take a backup of page at least, home page at least, using any duplicator plugin, so that just in case if you made any mistake you can restore the page. This is being the front-end editor of WP Bakery Page Builder, and this is the slider section, and it can be edited in slider revolution section. And for rest of the things you can simply click on the pencil icon and change the content, text, and icons or images wherever required. So again I will advise you to use the same dimension images as has been used in the demo content, and same length content as in the demo content, to maintain the integrity and design layout of your website. It is also very important, so just make the content according to the demo website only, and you can even change your layout if you wish to do so. And you can use the backend editor as well. So backend editor is more comfortable in my opinion, so better you may use the backend editor. From here you can add or remove the sections that you want to keep or remove, so it is very great option. So now I believe you will be able to create a wonderful education website using the iGuru WordPress theme, and this is our website that we made in this video. This is demo with demo content, and this is complete for putting the content, original content, and website can be launched. So I believe this video being helpful for you, and you are already a subscriber of this channel. If not, you may please subscribe this channel and also ring the bell for getting the regular content updates from this channel. I am going to bring wonderful themes plugins and utilities for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.